Greetings to all the learners. I am Faculty of Science in SRN International School and I welcome you all to the Knowledge Center of SRN International School. Dear learners, today in this particular knowledge video, we are going to study about an important topic in class 8th, that is coal and petroleum. Dear learners, we know that coal and petroleum are one of the non-renewable resources. These non-renewable resources were present in a very huge amount, but slowly and gradually, due to increase in population, coal and petroleum slowly got depleted. Now we are facing a huge deficit of coal and petroleum. We know that these are the energy resources which are available to us, and they are used to run trains, automobiles, and also used in a huge amount in the factories. But now we will differentiate between them into natural and man-made resources. So the resources can be of two types, that is natural resources and man-made resources. We can also give example of some natural resources and some man-made resources. Coal and petroleum are example of natural resources. Now let us study in detail about what are natural resources. The resources which we get directly from the nature are called as natural resources. In the picture you can easily see certain resources, for example the windmill, the power from the water, energy from the forest by burning of coal, the soil. They are all example of natural resources. Also coal, petroleum and natural gas, they are example of natural resources which are easily available to us. Now let us study in detail about what are the different type of natural resources. Natural resources are also called as inexhaustible resources. These resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and they are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. You can see in the picture of a windmill. The windmill works on the principles of wind, where the propelling energy of the windmill is converted into electrical energy. There are certain countries which are actually using the wind energy in the best possible way. For example, Holland. But India is also not less than any other country in utilizing these inexhaustible resources in the best possible way. These windmills are adjusted near the seashores where continuous wind is being flowing, and because of using this energy from there, these windmills convert the propelling energy of the windmill into electrical energy. Some other example of inexhaustible resources are sunlight and air. Very well understood by you that yes, sunlight can be used as a source of energy in the solar panels. Now let us discuss about different type of natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are those resources which will get depleted or which will get completed within a period of time. These resources are present in limited quantity in the nature and they can be exhausted by the human activities. We are constantly using coal and petroleum in our day-to-day life, and definitely there will be a day when coal and petroleum will be totally exhausted from the earth. Other exhaustible resources, for example, are natural gas and minerals. Some exhaustible natural resources were formed from the dead remains of living organisms, so they are called as fossil fuels. Now we very well know that from where coal and petroleum came into existence. Coal is being formed from the dead remains of the plants which get buried under the earth crust, and for about a period of 1,000 or more than that, these natural plants, they were converted into rocky particles that were coal. Also petroleum was obtained from the dead remains of the sea organisms or the animals which got buried under the rocks. Slowly and gradually, by the degradation process which took thousands of years, these dead remains of the animals, they get converted into petroleum. Now when we want to extract out the petroleum, deep drills are being dipped in the oceans, and after drilling in the oceans, this petroleum can be taken out from the deep sea reserves. Coal. How does a piece of coal look like? A coal is just similar to a piece of stone which is black in color, and it contains in itself coal gas. When we lit a particle or piece of coal, then it gives energy due to the burning of coal gas. It is very hard in nature and it is example of a non-renewable resource. Coal is used in the cooking of food. It is also used in the railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. To produce electricity, it is also used in the thermal power plants. Thermal power plants work on the principle of burning of coal, where due to the burning of coal, energy is converted and it is used to run turbines. Coal is also used in the various industries. Some useful products like coke, coal tar, coal gas are obtained from coal after processing in industry. Let me tell you one very important use of coal. It is also a very important reducing agent. Yes, it means that it is used to remove oxygen from the metals and is used to convert the metal oxides into metal. So this is one of the very important use of coal, how to convert the metal oxide into metal. Now let us discuss about some useful products of coal. Coal tar. You can see a very viscous compound which is present in the bucket. This is called as coal tar. Have you seen coal tar on the roads? Yes, you are correct. Coal tar is used to prepare the roads. It is a black thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is frequently used in the manufacturing of synthetic dyes, perfumes, drugs, explosives, plastics, paints, photographic materials. It is also used in metaling the roads and synthesis of naphthalene balls. You remember what are naphthalene balls? They are white colored balls which are seen in the kitchen, or they can also be seen in the bathrooms, or can also be used along with the toiletries, and they work on the principle of sublimation. You have never seen the naphthalene balls converting into liquid. They are solid pieces which directly convert into vapor. Let us now discuss about the useful products of coal. Coal gas. It is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. It is widely used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal plants. Thank you very much, and if you really like the video, please share and subscribe the knowledge video. I'll be coming with very important knowledge videos in the next part. Thank you very much.